pretty cool though, man. Oh, wait, look in there. Like a little workshop. Don't cross that. It's pretty cool, man. Hold on. You think anybody's in there? Oh no, it's probably where they did some. Oh, it's blacksmith. It's the blacksmith stuff, buddy.
That's
see, there's the little anvil.
Actually looked like.
Yeah,
I
man.
thought they looked like the stuff in Minecraft.
You gotta heat stuff up right here, right?
I thought it looked like the stuff in Minecraft, to be honest.
See, you got all the stuff that he works with.
Yeah.
Right over there.
Hot
all the
night
stuff
when
on
you would
there.
smash it and like make tools.
Look, horseshoes up there and everything, man. Horseshoes up there.
Look,
Look,
that's
here's
the
all the
bush.
things you can grab the metal with. It's pretty cool. And that's where you'd have your.
Then you would move them on there and like hit them with the hammer.
Yep. It's pretty cool, man.
I know it from watching Iron Man 2.
Iron Man 2.
Yep. Remember Whiplash? He does it when he makes his suit at the beginning after his father dies.
I feel like we're not supposed to be up here. It's pretty cool, man. There's people over there by the other barn.
He's not serious because I'm not going in the house.
Maybe you have to go on the other side. I don't know. I feel like the doors would be open. If there, oh, was there somebody standing in there? Come here. Look. I think there is. Look in there. Look in this window. There is somebody in there. Look. Come over further. It's kind of creepy. You're so funny, man. Look at that tree. Look at that tree. It's not animatronic. Let's go this way. Come here. Look, this is where they wash clothes.
That's what they use to wash clothes.
Yeah, that thing, isn't it? Or is that use?
Do we have to go into the house?
Dude, you can go in here. Yes, you can. Yeah, they just don't want you going in the actual rooms. That's cool, dude.
Yeah.
What's over here? Let's look over here. It's like a classroom. Nope, this is all. Oh, it's for cooking. Look, the old stove over there, man. That's awesome. There's definitely somebody inside.
We're not going in.
Look at there. That'd be creepy.
I want to go with you.
Come here. Let's go around here first. We're already here, man. Come on, man. No, come here. They said you could go inside. You want to knock on the door?
Yeah.
I don't know. There's not even a doorknob on that one.